What's the smell like? Strong fragrance or neutral? Scented versus unscented wax could trigger allergies. Adds to spa-like feel. Is it suitable for beginners? Clear instructions included. User-friendly tools. First-timer experience. Learning curve or not. How loud is the wax warmer? Quiet or buzzing? Can you use it at night? Comparison to other devices. Discreet for shared spaces. Does it come with aftercare products? Soothing oils or wipes, aloe vera or tea tree included. Reduces redness. Bonus value or missing. Does the wax stick to the skin or only hair? Easy to peel off. Residue left behind. Any tugging? Smooth peel experience. What's the packaging like? Secure shipping. Compact or bulky? Travel friendly. Eco-conscious materials. How long does it take to cool and harden? Fast drying or slow? Impact session time? Ideal waiting seconds. Can speed be adjusted? Any color options for the wax? Just aesthetics or function? Color-coded for skin types? Lighter versus darker wax. Adds fun or confusion? Can you mix different wax beads together? Same brand mixing safe? Texture changes, melting evenly? Fragrance blend? Are there subscription options for refill kits? Cost saving? Auto delivery convenient? Does Amazon offer it? Practical for regular users? How many passes are too many? Max passes per skin area. Signs of overwaxing. Skin damage risk. When to stop? How much hair should be trimmed before waxing? Ideal length. 1/4 inch to short equals no grip to long equals more pain. Use scissors or trimmer. Does it work on curly or coarse hair? Grips tightly or not? Pain level difference. Multiple applications needed. Suitable wax types for curly hair. Do men use this wax kit? Can be unisex. Review from male perspective. Areas men usually wax. Extra tips for thicker hair. Dry versus moist skin. Which works better? Apply powder or not? Oil residue effect. Clean skin equals best results. Use alcohol wipes. What if the wax hardens mid-application? How to reheat quickly. Work in small sections. Don't panic. Tips. Safety while reheating. Using the kit during periods. Yes or no? Increase sensitivity. Warning. Hygiene tips. Best time in the cycle. Postpone or proceed. Using the kit with tattoos. Safe or not? Can affect ink. Tips to avoid irritation. How long after tattoo to wait? Does it work for all body sizes? Hard to reach spots for plus size users. Flexible enough for all. Mirror placement for visibility. Can you wax over goosebumps? Does it grip? Painful or not? Skin flattening tip. Wait till skin calms down. Sun exposure before, after waxing. How long to wait before sunbathing? Skin damage risks. Best time to wax before beach trips. Use sunscreen. Can you wax after showering? Wet skin issue. Warmth versus dryness. Ideal wait time. Does hair grow back thinner over time? Truth or myth? Science behind a consistent waxing benefits. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more. Who should not use it? Teens, people on meds, pregnant, with certain skin conditions. How it compares to sugaring. Texture difference. Pain level. Cleanup. Long-term results. Suitable skin tones. Tights. Dry skin. Safe. Works on oily, melanin-rich skin. Review. Adjustments needed. Common first-time mistakes. Applying to thick. Pulling to slow. Wrong temperature. Not prepping. Skin prep. Routine tips. Exfoliate or not? Pre-wax cleanser. Trim or not? Avoid lotions. Post-wax recovery hacks. Ice packs. Aloe gel. Loose clothing. Avoid sun, heat. Using it with a partner easier or awkward? Better results? Fun or painful? Trust test. Is it really best-selling? Check rank on Amazon. Total reviews. Awards 1. Brand transparency. Lighting matters. Bright versus dim LED. Mirror tips. Missed spots due to shadows. Backlight. Wax test. Seasonal performance. Works better in summer. Wax to cold in winter. Humidity effect. Weather adjusted timing. Storage requirements. Temperature safe. Shelf life. Package resealing. Store in bathroom. Body areas best suited for legs, arms, bikini line, underarms. Returns or refunds. Refund policy. Open box. Returnable. Customer service experience. Did you need to return? Community opinions. Reddit says. Instagram reviews. TikTok try-ons. Amazon Q&A. Why chose this kit? Brand reputation. Reviews. Features. Value. Biggest surprise. Works better than expected. Less pain. Bonus items included. Results. Biggest disappointment. Missing item. No instructions. Painful removal. Doesn't melt evenly. How many uses per kit? 2 to 3 sessions. Full body one time. Shareable. Cost effective. How to reheat safely. Instructions clear. Microwave safe. Timer suggestion. Heat versus burn downs. Warnings you should know. Skin burn risk. Don't use overcuts. Avoid fragrance lotions. Overuse risks. What I wish I knew before. How messy. Get start with small area. Have wipes nearby. Patience needed. Time of day to wax. Morning versus night. After shower best. Avoid it right before going out. Tired skin equals bad idea. Wax kit aesthetics. Looks professional. Color scheme. Looks cheap or classy. Packaging presentation. Can you share this kit? Sanitary, extra applicators, couples use, label for reuse. What to do if wax gets too hot? Let it cool. Test on wrist. Don't apply directly. Wait 1 to 2 minutes. Final verdict. Is it worth it? Why yes if you're patient, careful, and clean. Nitrogen monoxide if you're easily frustrated or sensitive. Best for intermediate users. Overall score. Give a fun rating out of 10. Can you use it on the face? Is it safe for upper lip or chin? Causes breakout. Tame comparison to facial strips. Tips for gentle facial waxing. How much wax beads are wasted? Spillage or overuse. Inaccurate measuring tips. Can leftover wax be reused? Economic tips to save product. Do you need a mirror? For back or intimate areas, best mirror angles. Mirror lighting tips. DIY mirror setup idea. Does it work on curly or coarse hair? Grips tightly or not? Unboxing. First impressions. Packaging quality. What's inside the box? Initial scent. Smell. Is it beginner friendly? 2. What's included in the kit? Wax heater or pot, wax beads or strips, applicator, sticks, post care items. 3. Ease of setup. Plug and play or complicated? Quick warm up or not? Instructions. Clarity. First timer. Readiness for wax. Texture and consistency. To runny or just right? Clumpy or smooth? Spreads evenly. Feels comfortable on skin. 5. Melting time test. How long it takes. Melting temperature range. Even heating. Safe to touch. 6. Fragrance and skin sensitivity. Strong fragrance. Chemical versus natural smell. Irritating for sensitive skin. Long-lasting scent. 7. Ease of application. How the wax spreads. Stickiness level. Beginner mistakes. Clean control. 8. Grip strength of the wax. Holds fine hair, coarse hair. Multiple passes needed. Pulls cleanly. 9. Pain level during waxing compared to salon waxing. Tips for reducing pain. Cooling techniques. Beginner pain scale 1-1010. Waxing speed. How fast you can do both sides. Quick dry or long wait. Suitable for rushed users. How many strips per session? 11. Mess factor. Wax strips everywhere. Gets stuck on skin. Easy cleanup. Surface protection. 12. Hair removal efficiency. Pulls hair from root. Misses spots. Uniform removal compared to shaving. 13. How long does the smoothness last? 1 day, 3 days, a week. When does regrowth appear? Patchy return. Areas that stay smooth longest. 14. Redness and skin reaction. Normal. Irritation level. Duration of redness. Aloe vera test. Allergy concerns. 15. Post-wax. Skin feels silky or sticky. Cooling sensation. Skin comfort scale. Apply lotion. 16. Price versus value. How much you paid compared to salon prices. Reusable items. Long-term savings. 17. Noise level of equipment. If heated, loud buzzing disturbs others. Light noise or annoying. Test during quiet time. 18. Beginner friendly. Clear instructions. Guidance icons or not. YouTube help required. Trial and error zone. Warnings or limitations. Suitable for sensitive areas. Not for certain skin tones. Overheating warnings. Instructions easy to miss. Waxing larger areas. Works on thighs, arms, or underarms. Too much product needed. Comfort level. Waxing smaller areas. Can you do bikini line? Precise on upper lips. Eyebrow safe. Control level. Reusable accessories. Washable sticks. Wax warmer. Durability. Replaceable parts. Melts other wax types. Travel friendly. Size of kit. TSA approval. Portable bag included. Leak proof. Customer reviews versus reality. What others said. Online 5-star reviews justify. Fake reviews suspected. You agree? Disagree? Comparison to other kits. Better than cheaper ones. More reliable brand. Features others lack. Unique selling point. Maintenance and cleaning. Easy wax removal. How to clean heater stains on surfaces. Time consuming. How much product you need per session? Beads used, cost per use, enough for full wax, worth the quantity.